This is going to be our full-time home indefinitely. It still hasn't sunk in. We did get this yesterday, so we haven't done anything to it yet, but I want to show you what it looks like in its original form because we are going to be making modifications and changes to it that I can't wait to show you in a future video. So we're going to be touring the inside of our new 2021 ATC Game Changer toy hauler. To give you an idea of the space we're working with, the inside dimensions are 28 feet long by 8.5 feet wide. You'll also notice when we go inside, there's zero wood, and that is one of the main reasons why we chose this particular brand. It's made with aluminum, and I'll talk more about the construction in another video, as well as the other reasons why we chose this particular brand. Spoiler alert, the number one reason was for my health. Let's go inside. Where shall we start? I suppose I should start by fixing that squeaky door. This is our bedroom at the front of the toy hauler. The mattress is a residential queen size, and as you can see, all of our cabinets are made of aluminum. I'm going to show you all of the bedroom storage as well as the flow of this room. So here's the space between the wall and my side of the bed. I don't know if David knows this is my side of the bed yet. It's a little bit of a tight squeeze over here. So this is our wardrobe closet. There's a hanging bar here. Each side of the bed has a built-in nightstand with a pretty good sized drawer. And this side is for David. He's got the same cabinet on his side of the bed above his night table. I don't have the electricity on right now, but these are our reading lights above the bed. Also above the bed are 3 more cabinets, and each one is a little deeper than my elbow when I stick my arm inside. But wait, there's even more storage under the bed. And this stays up. That way you don't have to worry about holding the bed up while you're putting things away and taking things out. I love these big windows. We have one on each side of the bed for a nice cross breeze. And as you can see, those windows bring in some pretty good natural light. So you can mount a TV there. We did not get a TV in the bedroom. We actually haven't owned a TV in years, so it's not something I care about. But one TV did come installed in this toy hauler in the other room, so I guess that means I'm a TV owner again. This unit also comes with 2 ducted air conditioners. One is dedicated to the bedroom, and I believe this box controls that. And look, there's a lock on the door too. Now on to the bathroom. So when you open the bathroom door, there is a mirror on the wall, a full-length mirror, and another door with a lock because sometimes you just need to be alone with your coffee and your thoughts. Did you notice the counter space? Plenty of room for a blow dryer, curling iron, straightening iron, coffee. The ceiling is pretty tall too. I can't even reach it when I try. That vent is for the heat. And here's the space between the toilet and the shower. And this is our ceramic toilet. And notice the foot pedal flusher. There's also cabinets above. They're a little bit too tall for me, but I can use a step stool. And more underneath the sink. We have more storage, plenty of storage, you guys. Here, let me give you a better look. Nice solid surface counters. Outlets. What's this? A remote for the fan on the ceiling. And then we have light switches here. I love this jointed shower curtain rod. You can push it in when you want more space in the bathroom and pull it out when you want more space in the shower. The shower itself is a good size too. We do have a 100-gallon fresh water tank, and this unit came with a 6-gallon hot water heater, and that's where this is going to come in handy. See that button? It's a stop button for water conservation. Not only am I going to need that, but I'm going to have to learn how to take shorter showers until we upgrade to a tankless water heater. I love that there's plenty of room for shampoo, conditioner, soap, facial scrub, and a place to hang washcloths. I also want to point out the length of this shower cord. If you have a pet that needs to be washed, there's plenty of cord to do that. Now moving on to the kitchen, I'll show you the new fridge. Here's the freezer. And there's storage underneath the fridge. I think my Vitamix would fit in there actually. All of the cabinets click lock shut, so you don't have to worry about them coming open during travel. And then this is our drying rack, and then this is a big sink, so this is a cover that you can use for more counter space. Under the sink we have plenty of drawers. Once we're moved in, I'll show you what we've done to organize. At the bottom there's more storage. The ducting system is actually behind here, so we don't want to put anything too heavy that would lean against that. The storage continues underneath the microwave/convection oven. I've never used a convection oven before. Above the microwave/convection oven is a 2-burner propane stove that interestingly resembles a human face. Do you see it? Now, across from the kitchen is the dining area, and this furniture all folds up and secures against the wall to make space for toys. It is a toy hauler after all. This couch folds up and secures against the wall too. On the opposite side of the couch, there's a space that would make a great office area. This toy hauler also comes with blackout shades on all the windows. There's that television that I really want to get rid of. We'll see. Oh yeah, I didn't show you the cupboard space above the sink. We have a radio here, and then above that we have more space. We're gonna have to put some shelves in here. Next to that, above the stove, there's an even taller storage cabinet, and then over the dinette there are 3 more cabinets. And that paper towel roll is for scale, so you can get a better idea of the size. Now looking down at the dinette, you'll notice some cup holders at the edge of the bench. Now turning towards the back, you'll see these tracks going up the wall. Those lead to a Happy Jack bed that will come halfway down at the press of a button. That back wall opens out into a ramp for driving in and out any toys that you might want to bring with you. But what we love is that the ramp door turns into a party deck. All you have to do is hook up these cables to make the ramp door flush. And if you look towards the bottom of the ramp door, you'll notice what looks like a baby gate. Those gates fold all the way out to create a railing for the party deck. Right now we're at a storage unit and we don't have room to set up, so I'll show you another time. What I am going to show you now are some hidden features in the floor. If you lift up the removable woven floor, there's aluminum flooring and a way to tie down your toys. I like that the aluminum floor can be hosed out easily, and the removable woven floor is supposed to be easy to clean too. There are 2 removable woven floor pieces, one in the living room and one in the kitchen dining area. The hallway, the bathroom, and the bedroom all have non-removable woven floor with Asdel underneath. It used to be that the entire floor was exposed aluminum, but that has changed in 2021. We still need to introduce our 2 cats to their new home, and I'll be sure to share their reaction when we do. There are other features I did not show you in this unit, but there's plenty of time for that. Subscribe to stay connected, and to get notified of new uploads, hit that bell icon.